Ms. Samla from the Department of. We have Mr. Dampolin Samla, Lakshi A. Samla again from the Department of Garo. We have
What else do you have before you today? You have your dreams, you have your visions, you have the urge to do something. I would also urge you to give back to society, to give back to the people around you, to give back to this beautiful state of ours. We have in front of us a young group of people, the future of the state today, the future of what Garo is and what the potential that they have in them. Let us work together to unleash this potential. Let us do what we can to ensure that we build for ourselves a Garo Hills that is an epitome of what can be done